lovers of freedom, people of goodwill. This message goes to Uchechi for the benefit of the public, for the benefit of Biafrans. Let me address you as the wife of our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But I believe that you do not deserve this title. Uchechi, or whatever you call yourself, you left the UK, where May 30th is also celebrated, and you flew to Italy to gossip with people who have accused your husband of killing, squandering IPOB money, have children in Kenya, carrying women in clubs, etc. As if that is not enough for you, you open your mouth to say you do not listen to his lawyers. You went as far as calling us, those of us who are defending the core value of IPOB and who are standing so firm with our supreme leader. You open your mouth to call us flying monkey, Uchechi. So this is how low you have brought yourself. Since you enjoy making mockery of others, I am one of those you insulted. So now, I want to tell you that I am a member of the Biafra Vanguard media and a hardcore follower of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This said, I want to address you like a woman. Yes, because I am a woman just like you are, right? I am married with 4 children, 2 adults who are in the university and 2 teenagers who are still in college. So, you should know that I am equal to the task. I am equal to challenge you whatsoever. Uchechi, you stood so low by trying to vent on your husband for whatever may be your reasons. You went romancing those blackmailing your husband, the father of your son, the woman who called your husband a killer, Neka, aka the pig nose, happens to be your best friend. China Sanworu, who publicly accused your husband of threatening to kill him and other IPOB members. Your loyalty and mingling with these people suggests that you are validating whatever accusation they are melting against your husband. You may have had some issues with our leader. You must know that this has absolutely nothing to do with us as IPOB members. It's a family issue. Every family has their flaws. Bringing your family issues to the public, crying like a baby. Only one child in charge. Uchechi, you have only one child to take care of, to cater for, that is in charge, that you are in charge of. You came in the public crying, lamenting. Uchechi, what has come over you? What has come over you? Let me tell you, I own an NGO that takes care of widows and single mothers. Okay? Most of these women, some of them, they have 4 children, some have 3 children, 5 children. Catering for these children alone. They never come to social media to be crying, lamenting. Okay? But you, Uchechi, you have done so. Crying, oh, my child's school fees have not been paid, blah, blah, blah. I have a question for you, Uchechi. Can't you go and work? This is a question. Can't you just go and work? That you are the wife of our leader doesn't make you an handicap. As a wife, your role is to arrange diplomatic meetings. Present your husband's case to the people that matters, just like Omoyele Showore's wife did. Instead of you doing that, you are busy granting useless interviews with Ineka the pig nose, okay? Granting such kind of interviews, feeding among, making efforts in convincing us to protect the people you call DOS. These are ex-DOS to us. They are no longer a leader. They are no longer part of the leadership. Yes, I call you member of the gangsters. That is exactly who you are, Uchechi, because you first called us flying monkeys. To you, anyone defending the core value of IPOB and defending the rights of our supreme leader from the DOS, the ex-DOS, whose mission is to isolate, tarnish, and discredit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is automatically a flying monkey. Uchechi, what a shame. You are now calling IPOB members who are fighting for the release of your husband flying monkeys. Uchechi, you are a disgrace to your child, and I'm going to prove it to you. Your child is very young. He may be too young to understand the damages you are doing to him. Social media will keep record of all the blackmail given to his father and how you supported those that are behind these blackmails. What is your relationship with some members of the DOS, Uchechi, if I may ask? And of course, Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiro. There is something clinging between you and Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiro and some members of the DOS. That is why you can go any length to defend them. Yes, our leader sacked Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiro. You picked hatred on order of his lawyers. Attacking Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer or his lawyers or his legal team is automatically attacking Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Okay? You must know that, and I'm sure you know it. You know exactly what you are doing, Uchechi. Yes, you are just making a huge fool of yourself. It's unfortunate this is coming from a woman that used to be highly respected. A woman who was supposed to position herself, in a place where people will respect you. You have become a laughingstock on the social media. Those who have been making caricature of your husband, those who have been insulting, blackmailing, tarnishing his image, they are now using your video to validate their fights or to validate whatever they have said about your husband. Uchechi, what has come over you? What has our leader done to you to deserve this from you? What has he done to deserve this for you? Like I said, whatever you have with him is a family issue. I would never dabble into your relationship with our leader. But I must tell you this. No matter what happened between you and our leader, you must know that he is the father of your son. Whatever you do to him today in the public space, it will remain there. It will remain there, and this boy will grow up one day and he will see all these things. And he will ask you a question. I wonder what response you're going to give to him as a mother. Are you going to lie to him? Internet is there. Uchechi. Uchechi. That we never addressed you doesn't mean we are ignorant of what is on ground. Uchechi, you are a betrayer, a sabo, and a nagging wife. Why do you hate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's lawyers so much? Why do you hate them? What has this man done to you? Can you tell Biafrans, please? We want to know, why would you say that you don't listen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's lawyers? Why? If you don't listen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's lawyers, where do you get your information from? You cannot get information from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer, because we also know that you do not keep good relationship with his family. So who are you getting your information from? Uchechi, you do not have any updates. Whatever you are feeding your gangsters, the DOS and their E-rats, it's just, you are just feeding them with dated updates. You don't get current update from our leader, because the people who are supposed to give you the update, you are not in good relationship with them. You are not in good relationship with his lawyers. You are not in good relationship with your in-laws, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's family. The only people you are in good relationship with are those attacking Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, those who do not want him to come out, those who are calling the federal government to hang him. Uchechi, those are your friends. Those are your friends. Uchechi, let me say this very clear. We never heard your voice before joining IPOB. We heard the voice of our supreme leader. Now, what is even your position in this struggle? I'm asking you, what is your position in IPOB? Let me advise you. Let this be the first and the last time you will open your mouth to insult Biafrans. Don't you ever insult Biafrans or IPOB members who are standing tall to defend the core value and our supreme leader. Because if you do it again, I promise you, I will come hard on you. I reserve some things because of the respect I have for our supreme leader. I remember when Simon was attacking you. Those of us you are calling flying monkeys today, we are the ones who defended you. We fought Simon because of you. The same manner you attack Simon, why are you not using it against the DOS who are blackmailing your husband? Oh, something has automatically changed, right? Something has drastically changed, Uchechi, right? Is that what you're trying to say? Is that what you're trying to tell us? That you are no longer, you are blind, that you cannot see that these people are attacking your husband. They are saying all sorts of things about your husband. China Sanworu came out and said your husband is threatening to kill him for 4 to 5 years. Is that true, Uchechi? Now, the DOS, whenever they are writing a memo, they will say the DOS. They now have what they call DOS secretary. Under the leadership of DOS, your husband has been omitted from the story, and it does not bother you. All you care about is, I stand with the DOS. Who cares about you wherever you stand? As far as we are concerned, we stand with the man that we heard his voice. You can continue romancing the enemies of your husband for all you care. It's none of our business. For 2 reasons you must know. Let me tell you, these 2 reasons I want to give you now. Don't you ever dare insult us again. And also, know that we do not know you. We know our leader. And as it is today, his grace is no longer covering you. His loyalty is no longer on you. Our loyalty to him is no longer on you. You can continue to be pretending calling him your husband. My husband, no yendu. You can pretend, you can fool the public, but not people like us. Yes, he may be your husband, your lip husband, but with what we are seeing, he is no longer your heart husband. I am a wife. I know what a heart husband means. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Let this be a very sound and the last time you will ever open your mouth to say that those of us defending Mazi Nnamdi and IPOB core values are flying monkey. Thank you. Have a wonderful